Have you ever wondered how farmers raise and process pork every year? Today, we will explore the special process of raising giant pigs on massive farms. From the early days of piglets to their growth into full-grown pigs, what makes this process unique? Join us to learn more about the technology, techniques, and how these farms operate to supply tons of pork every year.
Farmers around the world embrace a myriad of preservation methods to extend the shelf life of their products while maintaining high quality. Techniques such as salting, smoking, and drying not only enhance flavors but also stand as vital barriers against spoilage. These age-old practices connect us to our history, reminding us that innovation often lies in tradition. In the modern era, farming has evolved significantly, with a pronounced focus on biosafety and organic methodologies. By minimizing disease risks and reducing the use of chemicals, these practices create a cleaner and safer food source for consumers. They remind us that our health and nourishment are intrinsically linked to the well-being of our planet. Furthermore, the integration of cutting-edge technology within the livestock sector transforms productivity and meets the increasing consumer demand for safe food. This digital evolution encompasses monitoring animal health and streamlining e-commerce sales, establishing a more efficient and transparent food supply chain that benefits everyone. As we look deeper into the agricultural landscape, it becomes clear that farmers are capitalizing on technology to optimize pig farming and processing. This shift not only leads to enhanced product quality but also increases market competitiveness. Embracing these advancements is essential for fostering sustainable practices and ensuring a thriving future. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the application of biogas systems for waste treatment has gained traction. This innovative approach allows farms to convert waste into renewable energy and organic fertilizers, significantly minimizing pollution. It is a remarkable example of turning challenges into opportunities for environmental stewardship. Moreover, adhering to global GAP standards plays a crucial role in ensuring safe farming processes. This commitment boosts consumer confidence and enhances the quality of pork products available for both domestic and export markets. It serves as a testament to a farmer's dedication to excellence and responsibility in their craft. In light of these advancements, establishing stable models between farmers and distribution systems is vital for ensuring consistent product quality and pricing. This proactive strategy not only fosters market success but also safeguards farmers from potential losses during harvest seasons, creating a resilient agricultural framework. Furthermore, implementing biosecurity measures such as regular disinfection and vaccination is critical for disease prevention within pig farming. This vigilance protects farmers' livelihoods and helps maintain a stable food supply, underscoring the interconnectedness of health and prosperity in the agricultural sector. Investing in waste treatment systems and adopting a circular farming model represent powerful steps toward reducing environmental pollution from intensive pig farming. By utilizing waste as a renewable resource, farmers are not just mitigating their impact, they are championing a sustainable, forward-thinking approach that benefits all. However, amidst these promising developments, farmers often face challenges in accessing the technology and training necessary to modernize their practices. Increased financial support and resources can help bridge these gaps, empowering farmers to innovate and thrive in an ever-evolving marketplace. In addition, expanding online sales channels and embracing e-commerce can open doors for farmers to reach new markets. This diversification not only reduces reliance on traditional sales avenues but also encourages a spirit of entrepreneurship, enabling farmers to adapt and flourish. Lastly, it is essential to recognize that government policies and support structures are pivotal in reducing risks and enhancing competitiveness in the pig farming industry. Through effective management and strategic planning, we can improve production efficiency, paving the way for a robust agricultural future that nourishes our communities and our economies. Selecting the right breed is undeniably essential in pig farming. By focusing on fast-growing and robust breeds like Yorkshire and Duroc, farmers can ensure they are cultivating pigs prized for their exceptional meat quality. This strategic choice not only enhances productivity but also lays the groundwork for a thriving farming operation. Moreover, the health care of pigs stands as a cornerstone of successful farming. This involves administering vaccinations against prevalent diseases and implementing environmental controls to minimize stress on the animals. By investing in their overall health, farmers witness a remarkable boost in productivity, creating a more vibrant farming atmosphere. Transitioning to the processing phase, it's imperative that humane slaughtering methods and stringent hygiene standards are upheld to prevent any possibility of contamination. By prioritizing these practices, farmers not only ensure the integrity of their products but also safeguard the health of consumers, fostering trust in their brand. In this context, health and genetic quality play crucial roles in the breed selection process. It is essential for pigs to be disease-free and sourced from reputable farms. Conducting thorough health checks and ensuring proper vaccinations are instrumental in paving the way for overall farm success, building a solid foundation upon which a prosperous business thrives. Following this line of thought, barn design is another vital aspect of pig farming, directly addressing the biological needs of pigs at various growth stages. Considerations of proper ventilation, cleanliness, and effective drainage are paramount to cultivating a healthy environment for livestock, ultimately influencing their well-being and productivity. As we delve deeper, it becomes evident that piglets demand specialized care right from birth to ensure their survival and health. These tiny creatures are kept warm and provided with colostrum to bolster their immune system during those critical early days, ensuring they get a strong start in life. In addition, feeding pigs a well-balanced diet during their growth phase is of utmost importance. Typically, this diet includes vital components like corn, soybeans, and rice, all working harmoniously to optimize their health and growth, laying a solid foundation for their development. Furthermore, health management emerges as an essential pillar in pig farming. Regular vaccinations against diseases, including the notorious swine fever, are fundamental. By keeping a vigilant eye on their health, farmers can identify potential issues early, thus averting larger problems down the line. Transitioning to the slaughtering process, adherence to strict hygiene and safety standards cannot be overstated. Proper disinfection and meticulous temperature control play critical roles in preventing bacterial growth in pork, ensuring that the products remain safe and high quality for the end consumers. Moreover, proper nutrition remains a cornerstone for pig growth, necessitating a balanced feed that caters to specific developmental needs. While young piglets require high protein to thrive, fattening pigs, on the other hand, benefit from a starch-rich diet. This balance is key to nurturing healthy and productive livestock. In this technologically advanced age, implementing automatic feeding systems can significantly improve feed efficiency. This innovation allows for precise distribution of the required amount of feed, reducing waste while simultaneously enhancing the overall health and well-being of the pigs. Finally, disease prevention through vaccination stands as a non-negotiable essential for maintaining a healthy pig herd. Adhering to specific vaccination schedules is crucial in protecting pigs from common infectious diseases, ensuring that the herd remains robust and well-equipped to thrive. Farmers are dedicated to promoting pig health and growth by utilizing clean bars and nutritious feeds, coupled with a vigilant vaccination and health monitoring regimen. This conscientious approach not only fosters robust livestock but also ensures a disease-free environment, paving the way for a thriving farming landscape. As we delve into the realm of processed pork products like ham and bacon, we uncover the artistry behind smoking and drying techniques. These methods enhance flavor and extend shelf life, beautifully illustrating the critical role of food preservation in our diets and our lives. In the backdrop of this industry, sustainable practices in pig farming emerge as a beacon of hope, where the treatment of pig waste not only protects our environment but also bolsters economic efficiency for farmers. This dual focus on sustainability supports the long-term viability of the farming sector. Furthermore, farmers are stepping up by diversifying their products to include processed options such as canned meat and pork floss. These innovative offerings cater to the fast-paced lifestyles of busy consumers, allowing them to enjoy convenience without sacrificing quality. In this ever-evolving landscape, the industry embraces the power of digital technology. By employing automated management systems, farmers can monitor health and conditions more effectively. This proactive approach not only reduces disease risks but also enhances productivity, setting a new standard in pig farming. Yet, amid these economic benefits, the industry faces formidable challenges such as African swine fever and the undeniable impacts of climate change. These pressing issues compel us to transition towards biosafety farming models, ensuring that we safeguard our future. Moreover, the closed chain of farming, processing, and consumption establishes a stable output that mitigates price fluctuations. This seamless integration ultimately increases the economic value of pork products, benefiting farmers and consumers alike. To thrive in the international marketplace, the livestock industry must sharpen its focus on enhancing production processes, improving product quality, and adhering strictly to food safety regulations. This commitment to excellence stands as a testament to the industry's resilience. Addressing challenges such as disease control, fluctuating feed costs, and ensuring clean pork products is not just essential for survival, it is critical for the sustainable growth of the pig farming industry. Each obstacle presents an opportunity for innovation and improvement. Modern processing plants are now at the forefront of producing a diverse array of meat products. This evolution enhances consumer choices and product variety, including beloved items like ham, sausages, and cold cuts, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Yet, the industry is continuously challenged by stringent food safety standards that demand compliance with regulations on waste treatment and contamination prevention. Implementing HACCP standards not only meets these requirements but also significantly boosts the reputation of Vietnamese pork products on a global scale. Finally, sustainable development in pig farming embraces innovative waste treatment and circular farming models. These forward-thinking practices minimize environmental impacts and ensure long-term agricultural productivity, fostering a harmonious relationship between farming and nature.
So, we've explored the process of raising and processing giant pigs, from the farm to the table. I hope you've gained a deeper insight into this challenging but fascinating process. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more exciting content. Share this video with your friends and family so they can discover this amazing process too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.